How to use Trello project management. Want to organize tasks and projects visually? Here's how to use Trello for project management. So first, create a board. Each project gets its own board. Name it after your project, like content calendar or a tutorials board. Now from here you can create lists. So this list serves as each sections with the progress that you currently have for your project. So since I have this tutorial board, I'll simply add the topics list, working on, recorded, done, and uploaded, so I can easily keep track all of the videos and topics I've worked on in the past few days. Now, on each list, you can go ahead and add cards. So these cards are specific topics or specific tasks that you need to work on. So once you have started working on a task, you can simply drag it into the list beside it. Now, once you have recorded it, simply drag it to the recorded list. And once it's done, simply drag it to done. And once this is uploaded, you can go ahead and drag it into the uploaded list. So through this method, you can go ahead and easily keep track the current progress that you have for each project, and you can also keep track if the progress is going well. Now you can assign members to each of these cards. So once you click a card, you can add labels, dates, checklists, and members. So this would allow you to assign specific members to each different task for one project on one board. And that is how to use Trello project management.